student. In this video we are going to learn our lesson number 2.4 on a Krakatoa. Student, this lesson it is not like a poem, like anyone story. It is about the natural things. That is the natural. It is about the natural events. Volcano. We have listened in geography subject also about that volcano, how that occur, which type of material comes, and which type of the landform from because of the volcano, which problem we have to face after the volcano volcanic eruption, that we will study in this video. Student, now see volcanic eruption means what, that I am also going to tell you. Now see student, Krakatoa is an island. That Krakatoa is a island that is situated in Sunda Strait between the Java and Sumatra. Okay, Sumatra in Indonesia. Student, that Krakatoa names island in Sunda Strait. Okay, Java and Sumatra in the Indonesia. It is known for its volcano which erupts regularly. Student, that is a Krakatoa is an island. This island is a famous, means in that island that volcano erupt regularly. Okay. And where is that situated, student? In the Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. Okay. Now see student, what is meant by volcano? What is the, how that looks? If you see student in your books, that we can see here how that looks, which type of material come. Now see here also I try to draw the volcano. First we will see, and after that I will ask definition, and after that I will explain. What is a volcano? A volcano is a crack or opening the earth's crust. There is a hot molten rock near the earth's center. Sometimes it rises to surface of earth through the such a crack, opening the flows out. When this happens, we say that the volcano has erupted. Now see student, volcano, that is a crack. Means suppose if you see student, that is a land and here is a crack. Volcano means there is a crack, and in that crack student many molten rock, means that is a, what we say, liquid of rock, that is a lava, ash, then smoke come out from that crack as well as the whole of that earth. Okay. Now see student. Okay. Now a volcanic eruption happens on a tremendous scale. Okay. So if any one area there is a volcanic erupt, okay, which type of the material comes, student? Dark clouds of smoke rise up. Dark means that is a smoke. That is, if you see in how that black colors, dark color smokes that rise up. After that, what do we say? Big glowing burning chunks of rock. Chunks of rock, we can call it the roughly cut lumps. Lumps, we all know that. Yes, that is the means we can call it the small pieces of the rocks that come out of that hole. Okay, red hot lava thrown out the cracks in the earth. Very hot mud, ash are also thrown out. A great volcanic eruption can change the landform in area. Now see student, volcanic eruption means that have any earth have a crack or hole. From that hole, that is a dark molten magma come out, as well as ash, lava come out. Okay, it is called the volcanic eruption. If any area there is a volcanic eruption occur, that time what happen, student? That molten magma come out, that was a chunk of rock with small pieces of rock, dark cloud, smoke rise off, then that red hot lava, as well as the what we say, ash, hot mud that also come, and because of that area change, this area landform change in a area. Now see student, next point is we will see in this lesson there are three types of volcanoes, which are, first one is active volcanoes, second one is a dormant volcanoes, and third one is the extinct volcanoes. Now see student about the active volcanoes. Student, active volcano means that erupt regularly. For example, now 2020 is going on. Now suppose today occur. After the 1 year again that is erupt. After the 2 years again erupt. Means that is the means such as the type active volcano that is erupt regularly. That's why it is called the active. Okay. Now see dormant volcanoes. Now see student, dormant means temporarily inactive in a sleep. Means suppose such as the type of volcano that is the erupt, but now didn't erupt after long time. From the long time that is not erupt. Now see student, dormant means temporarily inactive in a sleep, means now not erupt but previous that erupted. Okay, we find information about the eruption of these volcanoes in history, but now they are quiet. Means some volcano, if you see in geography, there are this many volcanoes that is the 1 or 2 time erupt, but now after the 50 years that not erupted, it is called the dormant volcanoes. Understood? That is the erupted. Previous means that is started dormant, temporarily inactive in a sleep. Now they are quiet. Okay, okay. That is the erupted in history, but now they are quiet. Okay, in a sleep. Now third one student, the extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes means, now see, geographers can guess by looking at the rock formation that they used to erupt long ago, but there is no record of it in history. An extinct volcano is unlikely erupt again. Means extinct volcano means that is only one time erupt. Again that didn't erupt. Only one time. Okay, now see that geographers can guess by looking the rock formation. Okay, that they used to erupt long ago, that is the erupt, but nowadays that is the did not erupt again. It is called the extinct. Okay, means dead volcano. We can call it dead volcano. Okay, and extinct volcanoes is unlikely to erupt again. Means that is not erupt again. Understood student? In this video, we have seen about the Krakatoa. Krakatoa is a island that is situated in the Sunda Strait between the Java and Sumatra in the Indonesia. It is called the active volcanoes. Volcanoes means when the volcano erupts, there is the crack in the earth's surface, and because of that molten magma as well as the molten rock, that is the lava, ash, that is rises up, come on the earth's surface. It is called the volcanic eruption. Student, if any volcano erupt, that time which material throw out from there, that dark smoke rise up, then the chunks of rocks, then hot red lava, then ash, then what we say, ash as well as the hot mud also throw out. Next one is that we have studied about the volcanoes type. There are three types of volcano. First one is active, second one is the dormant, and third one is the extinct volcanoes. Active volcano, that is occur again and again repeatedly, it is called the active. Dormant means that is the erupt 1 or 2 times, but nowadays that is the such as the type volcano inactive and in a sleep for long time. Okay, and extinct volcano, that is erupt but now that didn't erupt one time also. Okay, it is called the dead volcanoes also. Okay, that is extinct volcano. Okay student, in this way we have studied about Krakatoa, and remaining lesson we will see in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.